Talofa front desk?
Yes, hi, Talofa. I'm trying to see if I can order room service.
The room service. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah. So I saw on the menu that you guys had orange chicken.
You want the orange chicken?
Yeah, let me get a regular plate of that.
And what room number are you in?
Yes, I'm in room 332.
332. Okay. We'll have it up in about 15 minutes. Okay?
All right, great. Thank you.
Tailava. Orange chicken!
Later that same evening.
Woo! We about to go down! We kind of fine.
What the Toli, ere se malai ki kiki mea ngā is the bochipo. Hey, Talofa!
Hey, man. I ordered orange chicken, and you sent me up an orange. Where's my chicken?
Okay, sir, you know why? Because of the COVID-19, we can't serve chicken.
Because of COVID. Are you serious?
Yeah. Okay? Yeah, fa. Talofa front desk?
Hello? Front desk? Hey, man. Can you send your mechanic guy up here? My thermostat doesn't work, and it's hot as hell in my room.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. You know what? Because of the COVID-19, we have to keep the room hot.
Because of COVID-19.
Yeah, okay? Fa. Talofa front desk?
I've been trying to call you for toilet paper for the past hour, and I'm still waiting for my toilet paper.
Oh, you wait long time. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Because of the COVID-19, you have to use your hands. Okay?
This mother.
Okay. Va.
This is my turn.
Kung imasta maewi foa makaluyo kangaka masau kelelau kau kala kalangwa mai nga upomu mafanga